Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you're signed into the Google account you'll use. This links calendar invites and saves meeting history. Next, allow camera and microphone in your browser or app so Meet can access devices. Once done, click the Meet link or enter the 10-character code and join the waiting room. Make sure to select the correct camera and mic from the preview. This prevents delays and avoids asking others to repeat themselves later. Once inside the meeting, manage audio and video to control noise and focus. Mute when not speaking and unmute to contribute. When sharing, choose your entire screen, window, or a Chrome tab depending on what you need to display. Tabs are best for video with sound. Also, use the Present button, open the participant list to manage attendees, and toggle captions or recording when required. These steps keep the session organized and ensure everyone sees the right content at the right time. To finish, leave the meeting if you're a participant or end the call for everyone as the host to close the session and stop all streams. If you recorded, confirm the file is processing in your Google Drive and share it with attendees as needed. If audio, video, or connection problems occur, first check your Wi-Fi or wired network, reload Meet, and relaunch your camera or browser. This resolves most issues and gets you back into the conversation quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.